Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Built-in Public, where today I will be analyzing the Montessori businesses in a local area, present or not on Nextdoor. And so I made a search on Google Maps to see what was the market of websites registered on Google. So I assume it's complete. Maybe you will be missing preschool or kindergarten, because I only search for school as a keyword. So Vancouver Montessori School. But anyway, which gives us several results. And what you want, of course, on Google is to be properly referenced and arrive in the top search results for this type of keywords on Google, and with the snack map for the Google research to be, let's say, to attract more traffic. But as my topic is Nextdoor, I wanted to check how much of these businesses are actually present on Nextdoor. So I made a search on the more broad keyword Montessori, because I'm already in that area. No need to specify Vancouver. Anyway, if I would search here Montessori Miami, it would not get any result that I could exploit. So this is the general result of my search. So it's basically divided in several tabs: all the posts, all the businesses, some free for sale and free items, events, and neighbors. So I will not cover neighbors because it only gives one answer to me, and page is actually non-existing, or it has been created but there's nothing to see, not even a picture, nothing. So I will go more in details, and let's see, for example, all the posts. So it's not posts that are going very far in time, so I could scroll down, but it never gives it gives only the latest results. So but even if you watch that post related to Montessori, and I made a search on the keyword Montessori, actually only one or two shows up, and this one is obviously a question or an answer from that person. But what does it tell me? It tells me that all businesses that are related to Montessori school, preschool, or whatsoever, who have some profiles created on the business page of Nextdoor, and I will see it in the next tab just after that, actually never post anything on their personal or pro profile, because there's nothing here. No, if any neighbor wants to have an information about Montessori, it will be very poor, no result. So if you're working in a Montessori school and you're in your area, whether it's Vancouver or not, just give it a try and see how much of the competition you have in the neighborhood. If you're a business, you probably, as all businesses, looking for new customers, new prospects, new leads. So if the space is empty, or even if you have some competitors, you have to fight and be present. Here there's no fight, nobody's present. It's very, very poor. So that's an easy grab for anybody taking action on Nextdoor in the Vancouver area. Now we go to the next tab. So it's jumping here to neighbors, and actually I wanted to go to, because these are the pages that are really close to me. But first I want to go to the businesses. And where are my businesses? So okay, let's move here to businesses, which is exactly the same as neighbors, somehow strange. You see here business, I click here neighbors, and I have the same list. So anyway, these are all the pages professional accounts that have been registered on Nextdoor to promote their business. And as you can see from the small logo here, most of them are empty. I mean, that means that they have not even submitted a logo and a front page, a banner picture. So at the exception of this one, and I saw another one just in green, that one made the effort, and all the others. So let's go here because I didn't make the search, or don't need to wait for the loading. So when I see that, that's again another great indication that the playing field is empty. So you will have no difficulty in getting more leads and more prospects when you are facing such an empty field of competitors. So let's open a few of them without. So I want to show also the ones that have created a good profile. See how compared to the there are too many empty ones, so we set the blue one and the green one, and let's analyze compared to the empty one. So you see, when you don't fill in the I would call it logo part of it, then it does not attract the eye. If you're searching for business in the neighbor or business part of Nextdoor, if you lack this logo picture, then you send a message that your profile is poor. They have made the effort to put a small moth or butterfly, right? Probably more moth, pretty nice, and they have a profile completed with opening times, address, email, website, contractor license. That's very good. One photo. Yeah, so maybe they have made the effort to complete this page at the very creation of their profile, and they stopped. No post. And do we have a date when it was created? No, I cannot see it from here. So that's too bad. So this one is missing, so we think it's empty. Let's say it's half empty because it has been created probably at the beginning but never used it after that. Let's go to the next one. So the next one has a small logo picture but no banner. Same, we have directions, we have the opening time missing, only one picture, only one short description. So again, no post to present the activities. I always suggest to post once a month on this side of Nextdoor, and also no recommendation. So too bad for that one. This one does not have opening times, the rest looks good. Is it really an appealing picture banner? It's kind of questionable. At least here we have the opening times. Could be better. Oh, we see the playing field. Again, no post, no recommendation. Could be much better. So if you do anything better than these profiles, you've done most of the job already. So this one, no banner, no opening times, and again, nothing. This one had a catchy logo picture, but again, a nice picture of a little girl playing, but no bio, no email, no. Yeah. So you see, the if you are on Montessori business niche, you have an open field in front of you, nobody to poor quality image, nobody to fight against. So watch this video, watch my other videos, and go for it. It's an open market for you, and Very easy. My business can help you. If you have any questions, contact me. I'll be happy to assist you. We also have some paying services where we help automate all the postings on Nextdoor, so you don't spend too much time, and create a nice conversion funnel, and you will be golden. And okay, one more part that I wanted to address, so let me close. Oh yes, let me close these two more, and we'll go to events. So you have opportunities to create events for your neighbors in your area. Here, nothing. There are some events, but definitely not labeled as Montessori related events. So organize an event once a quarter. Try to make it more often, of course. The more often the better. More frequent the better. If you lack some ideas, sometimes just organize a coffee, or try to find all other local businesses who would like to team with your activity to organize something, coffee, restaurant, outdoor events, whatever you think could be a good teaming for your business. And the last part that I wanted to address, the for sale and for free. This is also a kind of I don't know what it's called in English, like property part of Nextdoor, where you can, or you should be present. If you have a Montessori school business, maybe you have clothes to resell, maybe you have books, maybe you have methods, maybe you have PDF. So post here. That will help you get more coverage, property coverage on Nextdoor. So exploit all the different parts, the business part, the pages, the free for sale and free, the events, the personal page, create group around Montessori, and you will be golden. So if I look at where there are groups, how do I search groups here? Groups, sorry, my mistake. If I say groups, yeah, groups, that's the one I was missing. Why I can't search for groups? Oh, sorry, I need to go. Where do I need to go? Where are my groups? Anyway, that's always the case when I want to try to do something online, then I cannot find. Anyway, if you have any question, don't take too long, leave a like, leave a comment. If you are already making some advertisement here on Google, it's good, but don't miss the opportunity to cover an empty blue ocean on Nextdoor. Of course, if you're not in Vancouver, you can search for other results in your area, Montessori School in Seattle, for example. But no, you could apply the same logic, the same search on other areas or other niches. Wishing you a pleasant day. Let's meet and again in another day of building public for Nextdoor automation. Have a great day. Bye bye.